But one theme that he spoke about was the NBFC space. So we have Muthoot Capital Services. That's the stock on our radar. The stock has hit a fresh 52-week high. It's had fabulous momentum. If you pull up just, a one-year chart of Muthoot Capital Services, that stock has been looking very good. Let's get our Manomohanan of the company to join in now. Mr. Manomohanan, good morning. If you can just start off by telling us what the progress has been as far as your AUM growth is concerned. Last quarter was very good for you. You saw almost a 24% growth. Do you think that kind of growth rate is sustainable?
Yes, we are, as you mentioned, we are predominantly into financing of two-wheelers. We did a disbursement of 780 crores under two-wheelers alone last year. Our total loan disbursement was 928 crores. Out of this, 780 crores came from two-wheelers alone. This was a 43% growth over the disbursement last year. And we closed the year with a net profit of 22.85 crores, which was a good mark for us. And we are planning to continue the same, maintain the same level of growth this year also in disbursement, as well as in addition to, in spite of the additional provisions that may be required on account of the revised norms for NPAs, we are planning to maintain about 25 to 30% growth in net profit also. As I mentioned, we are predominantly into two-wheeler financing. This year, the all India sales for two-wheelers is expected to grow 1.8 crores, out of which about 71 lakhs will be finance sales. We are planning to reach a market share of 3.75% by the end of this year. With our expansion to the northern states, we are already established in 7 northern states last year. With our entry into the northern states, we are very confident that we will be able to achieve this growth.
Well, we're not able to get your audio very clearly, Mr. Manomohanan. If you can just tell us, what is the share that comes from two-wheelers? What is the share that comes from gold now?
No,
basically, gold and non-gold, what is the share?
We are not into gold at all.
Okay.
The total disbursement last year I mentioned was 928 crores. Out of which 780 crores was from two-wheelers. Others, consider about 148 crores consisted of other loans which are non-gold. We are not into gold loan at all.
Okay, we actually can't hear you very well, so we'll try and touch base with you later. But thank you so much for joining us and giving us your views. That's the word coming in on Muthoot Capital. They're primarily into two-wheeler loans, and they have seen a very healthy growth of 24% in the quarter gone by, and that's something that they hope to continue. Fabulous mover, 20% in the last 12 months. But let's do one thing. Let's get you some very interesting takeaways from the discussion that Anuj had with Reliance Capital.